So today what we're going to do is going to make sure that the content that we have generated using an AI is 100% original and the AI didn't plagiarize any content on the internet. So I already wrote the whole thing using Jasper, but it's not 100% Jasper. So the introduction and some of the paragraphs here are written by Jasper, but like the specific examples um, from my own personal experience are I wrote it. So it's probably like 50% AI and 50% me. So I think that's just the best way to use AI. You use it to speed up your content production, but you don't totally rely on AI 100%. So yeah, so the goal of this video is to just show you very quickly how we're going to use Grammarly to detect if the AI is plagiarized. I've been using Jasper for over a year now, and I've never encountered an instance where content was plagiarized. So you need Grammarly Pro in order to access this feature. So all you got to do is you create your document on Grammarly as usual, or you create it in Google Doc or Notion, and then you edit it. And then after all of your edits, so I really would recommend doing this plagiarism check once you're done with all of the edits. So once you're done that, you just go to your Grammarly account, open a document, and then under here in the lower right, you will see plagiarism. You're gonna check that, and right now we're gonna ignore the suggestions. But yeah, because the goal here is just basically to check for plagiarism. So let's just copy and paste it. I already copy and pasted this, and usually the recommended like for plagiarism checker on Grammarly, it should be under 4%. There will be like a percentage here that says how many percent has been plagiarized, and usually it's just like common phrases, which is not like really completely avoidable because there's just many phrases that are similar. So, but I'm glad to report that this like 100% original. We found no matching text in our databases or on the internet. So that's really good. And so one thing to note though is that Grammarly is just checking your content. In general, it doesn't know whether it's generated by AI or human, but in general, right now, it's very hard to know which one is generated by AI and which one is generated by a human writer. But in general, people and machines can detect bad writing, spam writing, and good content, and basically plagiarized content. So in this case, we're good. I'll publish this as it is because I'm done editing it, and I'm happy that it's 100% original. And what I'm gonna do though, recently, I've been trying to discover ways like because there's so many questions if Google can detect AI, and also if you are if you have a production team or you're hiring writers and you want to make sure that the content that they're producing is not just plagiarized, but you're curious to know if whether it's purely written by AI. And yeah, so there are a bunch of tools right now, and this is the most simple one that I've tried so far. But it's the free version. It's limited, but it's pretty good. So currently, I believe it's only up to 300 words, so I can't type the whole thing. And so I'm gonna combine. So I know so a part of this actually has been this part here is like generated by AI, and this one is completely me. So I'm just gonna copy and paste here. And then we're gonna put it to writer.com/AI content detector. And then we're gonna analyze text. So similar to the plagiarism checker, wherein it will have a percentage of which content is plagiarized or which content is uh, original, but so in Grammarly it's 100% original, and this one is 100% human generated content. Fantastic. So it actually, I've been trying to learn more about the AI content detector. It basically detects the pattern of how many times a word was used. So there's another one, and I'm gonna totally discuss it in a separate video, but I wanted you to see the difference between plagiarism checker and AI content detector. So if you want to learn more how to write with AI, please do subscribe to this channel. And I'm going to put all of the links below so that you can have more resources to help you write better, faster content with AI.